In this video, I'm going to perform a one-way ANOVA using SPSS. Here we have our example on the left. It says, let's perform a one-way ANOVA. Researchers want to test a new anti-anxiety medication. They split participants into three conditions, 0 milligrams, 50 milligrams, and 100 milligrams, then ask them to rate their anxiety level on a scale of 1 to 10. Are there any differences between the three conditions using an alpha level of 0.05? So here we have our table. We have So we have participants, N7 in each condition, and they either got 0 milligrams, 50 milligrams, or 100 milligrams of the medication. And then we measured their anxiety, or rather, they reported their anxiety. So in this case, we have an independent variable of dosage with 3 levels, and we have a dependent variable of anxiety on a scale of 1 to 10. So let's go into SPSS. Right now we're in data view, and data view is completely empty. First, we need to tell SPSS what variables we have. So I'm going to go down to variable view. Here we're going to enter in our independent variable, which is dosage, and our dependent variable, which is anxiety. There we go. Now we have our independent variable dosage, but it actually has 3 levels. So we need to tell SPSS that. Here we click on values, and then we click here. So we have 3 groups, so we're going to put in 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3, and then hit OK. And for now, we can actually leave all of this just the way it is. It's not going to affect our final answer for this one-way ANOVA. So let's go back to data view. Now here we have a total of 21 people. We have 3 groups with 7 people in each group. So that means we're going to fill out 21 rows in SPSS. We had 7 people who got the first dosage, 0. We had 7 people who got the second dosage, 50. And we had 7 people who got the third dosage, which is 100. So now we split up their dosages just like this. And now we put in their anxieties. We've got 9, 8, 7, 8, 8, 9, 8. For the 50 milligram group, we've got 7, 6, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6. And for the 100 milligram group, we got 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. So there we go. Now we've entered all the data into SPSS. Now let's perform the one-way ANOVA. We're going to go to Analyze, Compare Means, and then One-Way ANOVA. Here, our dependent variable is anxiety, and our independent variable, or factor, is dosage. And for now, we're not going to worry about all of these options we can select. We're just going to perform the one-way ANOVA. So let's hit OK. And there we have it. This ANOVA table gives us our sum of squares, degrees of freedom, mean squared, F, and significance level for the between groups, within groups, and total for this experiment. What we're most concerned with is the F value and the significance level. Here our F value is 86.333, and our significance, or P value, is 0.00. Actually, I'm going to click on this, and you can see that it's actually 0.0000595. It's a really small number. It's not exactly 0. But just see that it is very small. And the point here is that because significance is less than 0.05, we can reject the null hypothesis. We can go ahead and say that there is a difference somewhere between these 3 groups. So dosage did have an effect on anxiety in this experiment using our one-way ANOVA.